Tamil Nadu elections 2021 by Mohammad Sohail Ahmad. The 16th Legislative Assembly election of Tamil Nadu was held on 6th April 2021 to elect representatives MLAs for 234 constituencies in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. The poll in the state first assembly election after the demise of the two most prominent chief ministers in its modern history, J. Jayalalitha and M. Karunanidhi, who died in 2016 and 2018 respectively. The current 15th Legislative Assembly will conclude its term on 24th May 2021. All 234 elected seats MLAs in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, 118 seats needed for a majority win and to form government in Tamil Nadu. And currently ruling party is AIADMK, whose chief minister is Edapadi K. Palaniswamy. Date of poll in Tamil Nadu was 6th April 2021 and date of counting is 2nd May 2021. National Democratic Alliance NDA. In this, lot of parties are tied up with NDA to form government in Tamil Nadu. So first party is AIADMK, which is All India Anna Dravidya Munnetra Kasagam, and its leader is Edapadi K. Palaniswamy, who is the chief minister of Tamil Nadu currently. And next party is Patali Makkala Kachchi, PMK, and there are 23 seats they are contesting, and Bharatiya Janata Party they are contesting 20 seats in Tamil Nadu. TMC, Tamil Manila Congress Mupanar, is also in part of NDA. Peruna Tiluvare Makkala Kachchi PTMK is also a part of NDA. Tamiz Haga Makka Munirata Kazagam TMMK is also part of NDA. Muvendar Munirata Kazagam MMK is also part of NDA. All India Muvendra Munaya Kazagam is also part of NDA. Putachi Bharatam is also part of NDA. Kusumu Desiya Kazagam is also part of NDA. Secular Progressive Alliance SPA, Dravidia Munirata Kazagam DMK, which is led by MK Stalin, who is contesting 173 seats, is a very big party and is opposition party in Tamil Nadu. Indian National Congress is contesting 25 seats. Communist Party of India is also a part of SPA, Secular Progressive Alliance. Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPIM is also part of SPA. Viduthalai Chirutagal Kachchi VCK is also part of Secular Progressive Alliance. Viduthalai, it is done. Marumala Dravidia Munirata Kazagam MDMK is also part of SPA. Indian Union Muslim League IUML is also part of SPA. Kongonadu Makkal Desai Kachchi KMDK is also part of SPA. Manitaneva Makkala Kachchi is MMK SP is also part of SPA, Secular Progressive Alliance. All India Forward Bloc AIFB is also part of SPA. Tamizaga Vasurimaya Kachchi TVK is also part of SPA. Makkal Viduthalai Kachchi MVK SP is also part of SPA. Ati Tamizar Paraswai is also part of Secular Progressive Alliance. AMMK plus Amma Makkala Munirata Kazagam is also a leading party in Tamil Nadu, which symbol is cooker, and TTV Dinakaran is the leader of AMMK, and that is contesting 161 seats in Tamil Nadu. And other parties which are part of AMMK are the Siva Murupokku Dravida Kazhagam, DMDK, Social Democratic Party of India, SDPI is also part of AMMK. All India Majlis Ittehadul Muslimin, AIMIM, is also part of AMMK. Gokula Makkala Kachi, GMK, is also part of AMMK. Marudu Senai Sangam, MSS, is also part of AMMK. Vidutalai Tamil Puligo Kachi, VTPK, is also AMMK. Makkala Arasu Kachi, MAK, is also part of AMMK. In Tamil MNM Alliance, which is Makkala Nidhi Mayam, MNM. Kamal Hassan is the leader, and they are contesting 142 seats. And other parties which are supporting MNM are Indiya Janayaga Kachi, IJK, and All India Samatuya Makkala Kachi, AISMK, which are supporting MNM Alliance. Tamilaga Makkala Janayaka Kachi, TMJK, is also supporting MNM. Janata Dal Secular, which is JDS party, whose leader is HD Devegowda, who was previous Chief Minister of India, is also supporting MNM Alliance. Parties that are not in alliance in Tamil Nadu are Nama Tamilar Kachi, NTK, and they are contesting 234 seats. Leader is Seaman, and other parties who are supporting, which are not in any alliance, are Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, and they are contesting 160 seats, and Puttiya Tamilagam, PTK, they are contesting 60 seats. Communist Party of India, Marxist Leninist Liberation, they are contesting 12 seats.